This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla fuel pump. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from open flames. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, locate and relieve the fuel system pressure, which is a critical safety step before proceeding with any fuel line work. This prevents fuel spray and potential fire hazards. Once safety precautions are in place, you'll need to access the fuel pump. In many Toyota Corolla models, the fuel pump assembly is located beneath the rear seat cushion or within the trunk area under an access panel. Carefully remove any trim, carpeting, or bolts securing this panel. With the access point open, you will see the top of the fuel tank and the fuel pump assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector and fuel lines. Now it's time to remove the old fuel pump. You'll typically find a large retaining ring holding the pump assembly in place. Use a specialized fuel pump wrench or a brass punch and hammer to carefully unscrew this ring counterclockwise. Once loose, gently lift the entire fuel pump assembly out of the fuel tank. Be mindful of any remaining fuel. Install the new pump, ensuring the new gasket and O-ring are properly seated for a leak-free seal. With the new fuel pump installed, carefully reattach all fuel lines and electrical connectors. Double-check that everything is secure and properly tightened to prevent leaks. Reinstall the access panel, rear seat, or any other components you removed. Before starting the car, turn the ignition to the on position a few times without starting the engine. This primes the fuel system. Then, start the engine and check for any leaks. Also, remember to check the description for a fantastic book on personal finance and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.